at the entrance to our home. This was the parking area. So we have made a 2 feet wide and 25 feet long aquaponic unit. This is a fish tank, 700 liters, in which we put fingerlings of carp. The water from the fish tank flows out in this pipe and comes to the plants. So we have trays and the water is flowing down from top to the bottom. You can see down to the trays right at the bottom. And we have lettuce, we have kale, and this is mainly spinach. On top there are tomatoes, there's celery, there's mint. Then we have aeroponic tars. Each tar 7 feet high has slots cut into it, plants on 3 sides, and one tar has 35 plants. And the water you can see is falling down from the tars into the bed at the back at the bottom, and from there it goes to a sump, and here is the pump. Pump is taking the water right up to the fish tank. Further on, this is a space you can use. These are NFT horizontal pipes, 4-inch pipes with holes cut in them. So on top we had bitter gourd. This is bokchoy, coriander, green onions, bokchoy, parsley. So up till here, this from the gate to this tar, there are 700 plants. Now we come to an aquarium unit.